which will, make them feel better, breathe better, stay more fresh and more focused if they are not, just sitting like this. So from Pilates across the gym, I came to the chairs.
Wow, that's an amazing story. Yeah, and so all of it involves basically the core and, like you said, breathing. If you're like this, you can't get full lung capacity. Often, many people, our generation, is getting like adrenal fatigue, all these other things. And part of it is because they're also chest breathing too. But if you try and take a deep breath and you have terrible posture, you can't get that full lung capacity. So you're right, breathing. Then you get all of that. So if you can breathe from your lower diaphragm, it'd be amazing instead of just up here. Up here, I don't know if you guys know, but you're in fight or flight mode. So your body thinks it's dying. It's trying to run away from something.
Wow.
You can only survive that for such a long period of time, maybe a couple of years, and then you burn out. Maybe you get depression, anxiety. So subtle, tiny things that you can do for your body during the day, like sitting properly, where you're right, these chairs don't let you cheat. And you brought up a really good point, like you said, your mom used to say, sit up tall. So that's what we do remember. So, but unfortunately she wasn't a fitness expert, maybe, not maybe some of your parents are, but then sitting up tall, we're not taught properly. So sitting up tall means to you, maybe like this, and you're over exaggerating the posture. Where these chairs kind of like don't let you do that because it's constantly working.
It'll keep you in line.
Yeah, it'll keep you in line. So you can actually sit up tall without disengaging your core, or you can, if you're leaning forwards, it raises your sit bones, which engages your core more. So these are amazing chairs. So we have to find a chair that's terrible for you to just, I'm just going to exaggerate this scenario of what most people do when I see them for the first couple of sessions. So I'm going to grab a stool and I'll demonstrate really quickly. So I'm going to sit at a side profile just so everybody can see. So you mentioned one thing, so people are often like this, yes, which is not good, but then they hear their mom's voice and maybe they hear sit up tall. So they take that position and then they go to sit up tall like this, right? So lots of people are like, wow, that is good posture, right? That's good. So then I tell my clients, okay, to stand from that position right now. So right now, what I'm feeling lots is my lower back. So now I'm going to stand.
So not natural at all.
I don't see anybody walking down the street like that. I see people, what they should be is slightly relaxed. So tight core, my back is not hurting it anymore. But since most of us are at jobs, we're like this, our chest is too tight, our shoulders are too tight. So we're sitting like this. So to get them back, when we hear our mom's voice, we have to arch from the back, which is too much. What they should be is like your chairs allow you to actually crunch forwards, and then maybe you need some shoulder retraction, which most people don't have with office jobs. But there's different homework exercises that you can do. You can look up on the internet or hire a professional to try and get that mobility back into your life.
I definitely agree. And I see many people using the cushions, which would support the lumbar stretch, so they would really end up like this.
Yes.
But this is not it.